In this video, I'll teach you how to create a section like this on Shopify so that your customer reviews look this good. Some of the opinions move like a slider from the left to the right and others from the right to the left. This is the section's appearance on desktop and this is the section's appearance on mobile. This will give more credibility and more customer trust in the store, which will increase your sales. I will leave the code link for you in the video description. There are two ways of adding this code to the store, so watch the video to the end to learn both methods. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I post videos about Shopify weekly. I'll also provide the Shopify registration link in the video description. Through it, you'll receive a 3-day free trial, and your initial 3 months on Shopify will be only $1 monthly. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and continue with the explanation. To create this section on Shopify, we'll navigate to the online store. Then simply click on Online Store. We have two distinct methods to make this section. For the first method, we'll begin by opening Customize in a new tab. You can then position this section in any desired area, whether that's on the home page or the product page. To put this on the home page, we'll click right here. Afterward, we'll search for it here and then we'll paste the code. I'll provide you with the code link in the video description. This initial code can be found using the first method. As for the second code, that's the second method, which we'll learn in a bit. But let's stick with the first method. We'll start by copying the code on the left and pasting it all here, and it will appear for you now. You can now easily change the images and text by simply navigating to your e-commerce store. Once there, you will go to Content and then select Files. And here you can start uploading your own images, like this one, for example. And make sure the image size is small. You can then easily navigate to the image here and copy its link, just like so. Next, come to the code and proceed to alter the image link between these quotation marks exactly like this. For example, this is review number 6, this is review number 5, and this is review number 4, and so on. So we'll paste the link right here and you'll notice the image has already transformed. Now you're able to modify the text beneath the review to anything you desire. And also in the rest of the reviews, whether it's the first review, the second, or the third review. And so on for the rest of the reviews. The section will appear in this nice design and you can edit it and add it to either the home page or the product page. After that, you can easily save the section. Now we'll proceed to the second method, which involves navigating to the online store, clicking these 3 dots, and then selecting Edit Code. From there, we will initiate by clicking on the Explorer. After that, we'll go to Sections here and then to the first code. We'll copy the full code name like this to make sure it's written accurately. Then we'll go here to Sections and right-click. From here, select New File, paste the code name, and press Enter. Following that, we'll entirely copy the second code and readily paste it in this location. Afterwards, click on Save. And from here, we will reload the online store customization page. Now, we can effortlessly include the section on the home page or the product page simply by clicking on the Add Section button. And we'll search here for Review Slider, or you can just search from here easily. Let's select this section. It's significantly easier now because you can easily input the section name here, adjust its settings, change its color, and modify other available elements. And from this point, you are also able to add any review you wish. Here, you'll put the review link, then the text, and select from here whether it's left to right or right to left. So now we can add a number of reviews, and in the same way, we'll start uploading the images for these reviews. After that, we'll copy the image link from here, then paste it right here, and the image will then be displayed. Now changing the text will be very easy. And now you can add as many reviews as you want. This will be the section appearance on computer, and this will be the section appearance on mobile. As we've learned, you can control speed, colors, and sizes from here. That concludes our tutorial for today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and if you have any inquiry, leave it for me in a comment.